All right. That is neat too. So these were actually candle lit by like oil. That was what?
Look inside the cab. There's
1911.
no gauges or anything.
Oh yeah. Wow. That's crazy.
Wow. Over 100 years old.
Do what?
So far it's over 100 years old.
Now, yeah, 1911. That's crazy.
How you doing?
This takes me right back to high school. My buddy
They
had
didn't look that good in high school.
my buddy had the burgundy one.
Right. Yeah, they just didn't look that good in high school. We thought they did, but they didn't.
They were
a little rougher.
They were rough.
Yeah. But we enjoyed
But
it.
once you get older, you put it how it's supposed to be.
Right.
Man, there's a Pinto here.
We
Holy
thought
cow.
they looked good.
That should win just because it's a Pinto.
Yeah. Hey, yeah, that's a just because.
That's what we actually. That was our first race car was a Pinto.
Yeah, because they were cheap.
Then we graduated to a Mustang.
Yeah.
That is neat. I don't care what anybody says. I just like all
I ain't
stuff.
seen one of them. And see, the thing is, it survived.
Yeah.
Like, think all the ones that got total lost on the dirt tracks and
Think about all the ones that got hit in the rear and blew up.
and exploded and burned to the ground.
That was
oh yeah.
the problem with them.
That's why they
the
tanked.
gas tank's right there.
Yeah, that's why they tanked. If you hit them with a little bit in the back,
Yeah.
you're going up in flames.
You better have a quick way out.
Yeah, the best thing you can do is exit and run. You got better chances in oncoming traffic than you do staying in that seat.
That's neat. 442. Yeah, that is neat too. I gotta look at that. Foreplay.
I went to Avonco's down in Newton, the detail guy down there in Newton, and he quoted me a price to take it off and put it back on. Because I'm not
What size are they? Right there.
They're 46s.
46s. Yeah, that'd be fun though. Probably gets about 2 miles a gallon.
Those are American forces too, the wheels.
That's what you have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All wheels. All up and there's $6,000 per set.
So he's got $10,000–$20,000 just in wheels and tires there. That's crazy. Jeep Row now. You here, ain't you? There's the Lucky Ducky one. You might have forgot to clean it. I ain't sure. Huh? Yeah. The Yellowstone version. I like this Cutlass over here. Those are rare too. There's some neat stuff here. I like this old Bronco. Evil Bee. SRT. How many horsepower has it got? What does it say?
485.
God. And a Charger? $485 horsepower. In a family car. I like it. Scared of kids. Y'all got your seatbelt on? If you don't, you will.
But it didn't have everything else for the Ram Air. And they had bought the Enduro, but they didn't have it. It wasn't working.
gremlin. Don't see these every day. That is neat as crap too. 8-track player. Anybody know what an 8-track is? Leave it in the comments if you do, please. And always remember, you can share this, subscribe, like, or comment, whatever you want to do. I'm just at a local high school car show for a good cause. But yeah, if you know what a gremlin is, make a comment, or if you know what an 8-track tape player is, comment. Almost like Kit from Knight Rider. Once again, if you remember that, if you remember Knight Rider, you're right there with me. Let me know. And we're back to Mustangs.